Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you want to see more of me, any kind of random videos, unboxing, whatever, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notify every time I do upload new video. Okay, so today is Wednesday and I'm taking advantage of not working today. So I'm lucky that today I received my monthly subscription beauty box, another monthly subscription beauty box, everyone. Every time I do have my monthly subscription beauty box, you know guys, I'm really excited to unbox it with you. Excited all the good item that I'm gonna receive for this box. It's a very big box, and actually it is heavy too. I don't know what's inside. I haven't opened it yet, so you're gonna join me to unbox this boxycharm. This is monthly subscription beauty box, and this is not the regular box. This is the Boxyluxe. They call it Boxyluxe. So Boxyluxe, you can receive it every 3 months, not like the regular box that you can receive it every month. So it's really heavy and it's a big box. All right everyone, join me to unbox our monthly subscription beauty box for this month of June, and I'm really excited what's I'm gonna receive for this month. All right everyone, this is what's look like the box of Boxyluxe. I'm really excited to open this. This is boxycharm and a really cute heart on the top of the box. So let's do an unboxing. This is what it look like. Boxycharm Boxyluxe. First is for Liz. I don't know how I pronounce it. I'm not sure if I pronounce it right. Super cute packaging. Is a perfect glow BB cream SPF 30, oil-free, moisturizing, natural looking coverage, matte meets glowy finish. Ooh, I'm really excited about this one. It's a BB cream, so I'm really excited about this BB cream. Next is this Tarte Eyeshadow Palette. Super cute packaging, gold and I don't know, black and gold packaging. Super cute one. And let's open it guys. We have this paper that you can create eyeshadow look. Oh my god, it's super cute, really cute. It has a mirror guys, mirror, and this is what's look like the eyeshadow. I'm really excited. Very beautiful color of eyeshadow, super cute packaging of eyeshadow. There you go, very cute packaging, super nice eyeshadow. Next is this charcoal brush set. There you go. This is what's look like the brush. Really cute brushes, 5 pieces of brush, super cute. Next is this 2-pack of lip liner guys. Super cute lip liner. Let's see if you can see it. That's the color. And this is the next one. Next is this recovery treat oil. I'm really excited about this oil. I love face oil, very nice in our skin, so I'm excited with that. Next is this essential oil. Super cute packaging of essential oil. This is what's look like the packaging guys, and this is what's look like the essential oil. Really nice essential oil, calm and distress, and then the other one is woman's blend. Okay, Woman's Blend, super cute. I'm really excited about that one. Next is this one, Kylie Skin by Kylie Jennifer Foaming Face Wash. It's a face wash. I'm really excited about this one, guys. Super cute packaging. Actually, it is a big bottle of face wash, so I'm really excited about this one. And then this is what's look like the pump. Super cute color. I love the color. It's pink, my favorite. Okay, last is this one, Tula. I don't know if I pronounce it right. It's Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. So this is for, oh, it's upside down. This is for eyes, like eye cream. I'm really excited about this one, and when you open it, oh my god, it's super cute. I don't know, applicator or pump. It's look like this one. I don't know. Oh, maybe it's just gonna like massage it to your under eye. So really excited about this one as well. Very cute packaging. I love the color, like very summer color look. So yeah, this is what's look like the brightening eye balm. Never heard eye balm. So yeah, interesting. So that's it for the boxycharm unboxing. Alright everyone, that's it for my Boxyluxe unboxing. Oh my god, I can't wait to play all of this beauty product that I got for this month. I'm really excited. I got a lot of different kinds of beauty product for this month for my Boxyluxe. I'm really excited, especially this. I'm really excited about this for Purely Perfect Glow Baby Cream. I'm really excited about this one. And also I do love essential oil. This is 2-pack. I'm really excited to use this one. Hopefully they're not smells like really strong, because we do not like smells like that kind of like strong smell. Actually it smells good. It smells flower, so which is not bad. I really do like that. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I got a lot of cute. And also this Kylie Skin foaming face wash. It's a good size of skincare. Really excited about this one. And also, oh my god, I cannot wait to try all of this beauty product. This is the Tula Skincare Soft and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. This is another eye cream. Really excited. I do love eye cream, so very excited about this one. I'm really excited about this one. Really cute packaging. This charcoal brush. Oh, I'm really excited. And also this recovery treatment oil. This is really good for your skin, especially before you're going to bed. Use this treatment oil. It's actually good into our skin. I use it like every night before I go to bed. Type of like face oil or oil treatment to our face. Really good. And also this one, really excited about this eyeshadow palette. This is a Tartist Pro eyeshadow palette. Really excited about this one. And I think that's it for, oh, there's another one. Nice lip pencil. It's actually 2-pack. I'm really excited about this one. So I'm super excited. I cannot wait to play with it, all of it. So that's it for my monthly subscription beauty box unboxing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video. Thank you so much everyone, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye.